In this chapter, electricity, magnetic, and heating effects. In the end, they talk about the Voltaic cell, the cell, pencil cell which you use and which gives you current. Now, why does this cell work? This cell works because of a metal combination. This metal combination. He says there are two metals, and one it contains two metal plates made of different material. Now, this is very important, different material. And then there is a solution, electrolyte, in which the ions move, and this gives electrons, and that is why current is produced. There's a reaction happening inside this. There's a reaction happening, and so electrons are generated, and the electrons come out of the negative terminal, and the current moves opposite to the passage of electrons, because current is always opposite to the direction of the movement of electrons. Where a chemical reaction between the plates and the electrolyte produces electricity. When the circuit is connected, electric flows from the positive terminal. The electricity flows from the positive terminal to the negative, and the electrons are moving in the opposite. Till the time the chemicals, after a lot of chemical reaction, they're used up, and the cell stop. It is called a dead cell. Now, this is uh, this was this is called a galvanic or a voltaic cell. They showed with a combination of metals and liquid that electricity can be generated. They generated electric current. You can do an experiment. He takes copper wires and iron nails, and he puts this. Inserts the copper wire and the iron nail in one of the, keeping them, join the copper wires and nails as shown. These are the iron nails, and there's a LED button here, a LED bulb here between the copper wires, and because these lemons are like cells, and they will they will generate electricity and the bulb. So you need more lemons because lemons generate very less voltage. So if the does not reverse this kind of LED requires very less voltage, so it will glow. And there is a particular order. The positive should be connected to the positive terminal. So that's why he's saying if it doesn't work, then you interchange. And the negative shorter wire is connected to the negative, and the positive is connected to the longer wire is connected to, this is connected to the positive, this is connected to the negative. The lemons will have a positive terminal and a negative terminal, and the cell is working. The electrolyte here is the lemon juice, and the copper wires and the iron nails are the other two metal combination. You can use others metal combination. You can use zinc and copper. You can use zinc and silver. You can do aluminum and copper, but the metals should be different. One of them will act as the positive electrode, and one will act as a negative electrode, because of the chemical reaction happening. So this is how, why the chemical reaction happens. You will see in the pencil cell, this is the negative, the container is the negative electrode. The zinc container, there's a zinc container is a negative electrode, and a carbon rod with a metal cap that acts as a positive terminal. So this is the positive, and there is a electrolyte here in which the reaction is happening, and there is a single use, it gets used up. So this generates potential difference. We call it a potential difference, and that pushes the electrons in the circuit. And that's how when the electrons go through the bulb, they heat it up because of the heating effect. Now the heating effect he has talked of here. This glow is actually heating effect. Even the filament glows in the bulb because of the heating effect only. LED don't work on the heating effect, they work on something else, which you'll learn in higher class.